Hi. Accidents and acute illnesses, injuries, etc. can happen at any time. Whether you're working in your office, whether you're in the kitchen, whether you're driving, whether you're traveling, we are all sure to experience these kind of situations. These situations are unexpected, and the best way to deal with these situations is to be prepared. So here is one kit. This is the first aid kit designed by our team of doctors at Prana. So this kit is a wonderful kit which contains 20 hand-picked remedies based on the experience of our doctors over past 10 years. And this comes in a very travel-friendly pack which you can actually carry anywhere in your purse or anywhere. The wonderful thing about this kit is that it can be used for any member in the family. So once you have this kit, you will be very well prepared for acute situations and acute illnesses and injuries. It also consists of an insert which tells you how to use these remedies. So there is an indication of the remedy and how to use it. And in any case, you can actually connect with our doctors to find out how you can use it more. I can tell you enough instances where a lot of our patients have given feedback that this is a wonderful tool that they can have while they are traveling. I remember one case where a young child was having food poisoning because he had something outside, and then the remedy arsenic alb, just few doses of this could help him. Or I remember another case where a small girl was crying at night because she had ear pain, and this kit has got one wonderful ear drop which you can use, and this helped her to relieve the ear pain. So there are many such instances which we can tell you where this kit is very useful. As I said, this has been specially designed and hand-picked remedies by 20 of our doctors, where they have experience of over 10 years in treating cases of all types. This kit can help you to take care of these acute conditions and prevent further damage. So my sincere request would be that each one of you should go in for this wonderful kit. It's a one-time investment. It is 20 very useful broad spectrum homeopathic remedies which can help you to overcome any problems like acute illnesses.